Okay, boys and girls, we're going to continue talking about writing. Let's review just a minute what a good writer does. A good writer thinks about what they're going to write about. They make a movie in their mind of something they want to write about. Then they sketch a picture. Remember, a sketch is just a quick drawing. Then they write their sentences that go along with their sketch. Then they reread their story and see what they might want to add, and they add more. Now, when they add more, they might add more sketches at the top, or they may add more words at the top, or do both. So the first thing Mrs. Wood is going to do today is I'm going to close my eyes, and I'm going to make a movie in my mind of what I'm going to write about today. I'm going to think about something that happened to me. I'm thinking about something that I did last Friday. Okay, now I'm going to take my blank piece of paper and I'm going to sketch a picture of what I did. Okay, first of all, Mrs. Wood went to the lake. And when she was at the lake, I was in a boat. And it was a kind of boat called a pontoon boat, okay? It was a boat. And it has these big things on the top, like this, okay? It has a motor on the back that goes down in the water, okay? And Ms. Wood was right here. I'll draw just a sketch, a bubble person to me. And I had something in my hand. Do you know what I had in my hand? It was a fishing pole. It was a fishing pole. I went to the lake and I went fishing. So I'm going to write about that now, okay? I'm going to start out, I went, I'm going to tell where I went. I went to the lake, and I'm going to tell when I went to the lake. I'm going to tell the setting of my story. I went to the lake last Friday. Okay, I'm going to tell what I did. I went fishing. How many sentences did I write? Yes, 2. I went to the lake last Friday. That was my first sentence. I went fishing. That was my second sentence. Okay, so I thought about what I was going to write. I sketched my picture, and I wrote my sentence. Now, what you're going to do, I want everybody to close their eyes. I want you to think in your mind something you're going to write about and make a movie in your mind, like a video, and have it show in your mind what you were doing, where you were at, what you were doing. Do you have that? Did you make your movie? Okay, if you did, I want you to start sketching your picture now. Okay, sketch your picture that tells what's going to happen. When you finish sketching your picture, I want you to write at least 2 sentences telling me what you did. You might tell where you were. You can then tell what you did. I want you to write that, and then I want you to read it and show it to somebody at your house, okay? And then keep it in your 3-ring binder in the writing section because we're going to use this paper again tomorrow.